Hello，大家好，欢迎来到5分钟汉语。In today's lesson, we're going to learn Chinese alphabet. These are all the letters used in Chinese alphabet. When you look up here, there's nothing new except for the last one. I'm going to break them down so you can get the pronunciations. Chinese alphabet has two categories, initials and finals. They are the beginning sounds and ending sounds. The initials should be pretty familiar to you, as many of them have similar sounds as in English. But the finals are very different. Chinese Pinyin is a combination of one initial, one final, and one tone. Sometimes just the final and the tone. The tone is always on the top of final. For example, 你好. This is the most common way to say hello in Chinese. In these two syllables, ne and he are initials. I and o are finals. With initials and finals, we now get Pinyin table. On the top line are the initials. The very left column are the finals. We can only show a small part of the table due to the room limit. In this table, we can find all Chinese Pinyin. For example, 你好, 你 with the initial ne on the top, the final I on the left, 好 with the initial he on the top, the final o on the left. Today, we're going to learn the pronunciation of the first 6 finals. Let's start. Now, the first one, it sounds very similar to a in English, father. Now, read after me, please. Ah, ah, ah. Now, the second one, or. It sounds very similar to a double L in English, tall. Now, read after me. Or, or, or. Next one, it sounds like IR in English word bird. Now follow me. Next one, E. It sounds similar to double E in English, C. Now follow me. E, E, E. Next, U. It sounds like double O in English, moon. Now follow me. U, U, U. The last one, Yu. This is the only new letter in Chinese alphabet. It has 2 dots on the top. Sounds like U, but slightly different. Now follow me. Yu, Yu, Yu. Okay, let's read one more time. Ah, ah, or, I, O, O, U, U. Next lesson, we're going to learn the rest of the finals. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.